Hello guys, and happy new year. You guys, I have so much stuff that I want to get done in today's video. A lot of it is just like super random, but I was hoping that this could kind of help motivate you guys to, you know, get your lives together for 2021. But I really just wanted to help you guys and show you what I'm doing to, you know, start off the new year right and maybe help motivate you guys to do the same. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about New Year's resolutions, what mine are, how I want to accomplish them, 2021 goals. I'm going to be planning January, and I'll show you guys my digital planner that I use and that I cannot live without. And I'll show you guys kind of how I stay organized, how I'm planning on staying organized for the new year, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm just really excited to, you know, get my life together. I have been feeling so scattered lately, and we're going to change that today. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you go down below, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also follow me on all my social media. The links are in the down bar below. Also check out the description box down below. I have a lot of helpful stuff down there. I have links to the equipment that I use, random stuff that I'm going to show in the video, and all that stuff. So go check that out. And yeah, without further ado, we're just going to jump right into the video and, you know, get our lives together. But yeah, December was kind of crazy for me, and I am excited for just a big reset. Kind of hit the reset button on my life for January in 2021 and, you know, grow from everything that has happened in 2020 and use all of that stuff to, you know, become a better version of me. We're gonna be talking about New Year's resolutions first. I need to figure out what mine are. I haven't decided what I want to really work on for the new year yet, so we're gonna be planning them together. Feel free to, you know, grab a notebook, open up your laptop, write down some ideas for what you guys want your New Year's resolutions to be. Okay, so before we start writing stuff down, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. So this is my notebook, and my mom actually made it for me. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? So it just has blank pages in it, a rose gold spiral, of course. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to write down all my lists in for today's video, and I would give you guys a link for you to go buy this, but my mom does not have an Etsy shop yet, and I'm trying to convince her to open up an Etsy shop and sell these beautiful notebooks because they're so cute and they're so nice, but she doesn't think anyone will buy them. So comment down below, prove her wrong. Let her know if you guys would buy one like this because they're literally adorable. So yeah, that's the notebook that I'll be using. These are the writing utensils I'm using. So this is a Sharpie S-Gel pen. This one's just black, and I'm using my favorite markers. These are calligraphy markers from Tombow. This one is 761. It's just a really pretty pink color. Fits the aesthetic, what can I say? So yeah, let's get writing, let's get thinking. Cue the montage of me writing down my New Year's resolutions.
In my world, don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too.
Okay, so I wrote a few down, but I only have a few resolutions because I don't want to overwhelm myself with, you know, 20 resolutions that I want to get done in the new year or, you know, change in the new year. It's really important to, you know, focus in on a few that you want to do. So my first one is be more present on social media. One of my biggest goals that I will talk about later in this video is to grow my YouTube channel, and in order to do that, I need to be more consistent all around. So on Instagram and consistently post on YouTube, maybe post reels or IGTVs, and just kind of share more about my life with you guys. As if I don't already do that enough, I feel like I need to do it more. Another one is super cliche, but I do want to start working out. I worked out a lot during quarantine and it felt so good, but then when I moved, I don't know, the gym was closed and I didn't really get back into it. But I do want to get back into working out just to get fit and get toned, and I'm going to start that when I go back to school in my apartment because I want to try I think it's the Lauren Geraldo's workout. It's the 12-3-30 treadmill workout. That one is supposed to be super amazing, so I do want to try that. But we don't have a treadmill here. Can't start that yet. But definitely when I go back to school, I will be trying the treadmill workout. Another resolution I have is leave the past in the past. And that's not saying like I hold grudges or anything, but I really want to be mindful of, you know, the experiences that I've had in the past and just use those to grow from that instead of like still being salty about stuff that's happened in the past year or even before that. So I just want to, you know, grow from those experiences and learn from them rather than, you know, like I said, being salty about it. Another one is be more present in life, I guess. And I need to find a good balance between real life and social media because, you know, my job is social media, so I can get lost in it really easily and I can spend way too much time editing videos and not, you know, living life. So I want to be more mindful of that. And the last resolution that I have is to get better at time management. Now, I think I'm very good at time management, like on the daily. Like I make my to-do lists, I figure out what I need to get done when, and all that's great. But I want to get better at time management like as a whole and just stop wasting my time on TikTok and just stupid stuff like that and be able to manage my time with like my Etsy shop and YouTube and school and dedicate days to working on school and then days working on YouTube and then days working at my Etsy shops and like all that stuff. So I just want to get better at time management as a whole and just be, again, more mindful of the time that I have and how I'm using it. So those are my New Year's resolutions. Let me know what your guys' resolutions are down below in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys are doing and changing for 2021. Now we're going to move on to 2021 goals, which I think is different than New Year's resolutions because I feel like resolutions are a lot more just like broader than goals are. Like goals can be very specific, but resolutions are like, oh, I want to start working out or I want to have a healthier mindset or whatever, you know? So all of my goals are work related or YouTube related. So we're gonna write those down and I will share with you guys what those are.
So now I sing to you, and when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, can't make it, cause I know that after all this time you'll read between these lines.
I have like the weirdest makeshift tripods right now. Earlier I was using a box of pretzels and now I'm using a letter M and a mini candle. Also, there's snow outside and it is beautiful and it makes me so happy. Okay, so my goals for 2021 are very clean cut and very straightforward. My biggest goal is to hit 50,000 subscribers and I feel like that is something that could definitely happen in 2021. I'm already over halfway there. So I feel like that's just something that I can actually, you know, accomplish this year. And I'm gonna work so hard to get to that point. I want to plan out a lot of stuff and just, you know, be ready to take on the year and reach that goal because that is my biggest goal. And for a while, my plan for hitting 50,000 subscribers was to release merch at that point, which is really exciting and I have been getting questions about it for a while about like when I was gonna release merch and stuff. I think 50,000 is a really good point to, I don't know, release merch. I feel like that's not too early in the YouTube game. So when I get closer to that point of hitting 50,000 subscribers, I'll definitely have to start working on that. I haven't started literally anything, any designs or anything like that. But that is another goal of mine, release merch, but that comes with hitting 50,000 subscribers. Another goal is to reach 10,000 followers on Instagram. I am close to 2,000 right now, and I feel like that one is a little high for a goal just because I am not super close to that point yet, but I feel like if I get that many more subscribers, then I would have a good chance at getting to that goal. And if I'm more active on social media, then that is definitely a reasonable goal that I could have. And then then another one is to reach 100 Etsy orders, which I feel like I'd be able to do if I, you know, again, committed my time to it. And I do want to release more stuff on my Etsy shop, and I want to do that really soon. So I feel like if I, you know, advertise it on my social media more and show more of that aspect of my life in videos, I feel like that could definitely be a reasonable goal. I feel like I'm just talking a lot in this video, trying to make it like as interesting as I can, but there's just a lot of talking and explaining that comes with resolutions and goals and all of that stuff. So now that we have all of that stuff out of the way, we are going to move on to planning the month of January. So I'm sure you guys already know by now, I am obsessed with planning. I love planning ahead. I love making to-do lists. I love just being organized. So this is the iPad mini, and it has the cutest case. I got it for Christmas and I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna show you guys what I use on my iPad to organize my upcoming months and just stay organized in general. Okay, here is my digital planner, the love of my life. I cannot go a day without looking at this. So this is on the app GoodNotes, and this is a digital planner that I bought off of Etsy. I will link that down below for you guys, so if you guys want to buy the same one, you have the exact link to do that. I love this one specifically because it's undated, so you can use it literally forever. So this is what it looks like right now. I planned a little bit. I didn't plan any videos or anything like that, and that's kind of what I wanted to do today. But as you can see, I just highlighted the days of the week, and then I added a few random things like New Year's Day. I have a sponsorship due then. I have some, you know, money stuff, and then another sponsorship. So it's pretty bare bones right now because I don't have any information on my classes. On the side, I also have Reels and IGTV listed. So I'm pretty sure my goal for right now is to upload 2 Reels on my Instagram a month and then possibly 1 IGTV. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I want to do IGTV yet, but if I do decide to do that, I would do 1 a month. So we're gonna go to week 1, and I kind of planned this a little bit. New Year's Day was on Friday, so most of this week was already over at this point because this is all December. It is Saturday right now, so I just have film this video written down, and then I'm gonna try to upload it tomorrow. I am also going to try to keep track of my content on Instagram. So I've checked off every day that I've uploaded Instagram stories, and my goal is gonna be 2 Instagram main feed posts a week, which I think I could definitely get into the routine of doing that. So right now I am going to work on planning a few videos for January. I kind of already know what I want to film and upload this month. A lot of it is going to be college related, so I'm just going to write down some ideas and some general timeline type of things. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that right now. Feel free to plan along with me and grab your digital planner, grab a notebook, grab your physical planner, and just write down all the stuff that you want to get done in January, and we can plan together.
This is all you want. No more playing on all this. Waiting, I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next.
Okay, so as you can see, I just very messily filled in the upcoming weeks, just YouTube-wise. That was all I wanted to get done right now because I really just don't know what's going on this month school-wise, and everything that I have written down for January is like pretty much all I know that's going on this month. But the YouTube stuff is stuff that I have control over and I can figure out in advance, and this is definitely going to be changing depending on like assignments that I have coming up and stuff that's school stuff that's due and all that. So this is a very like rough draft of the videos that are going up and when I'm filming and like all that stuff. So that's why I wrote it in so messily and everything. It's because it's probably gonna be changing. I just wanted to get a good idea of what videos I wanted to upload in January. So I have that all set for the upcoming weeks. That way I don't have to worry about it and scramble to find ideas. And just to go off on a little tangent, just a little one, I am just so excited to put so much more effort into my videos. As you guys already saw, I made a new intro and I also made a new outro. I am kind of somewhat rebranding my channel. It's not really rebranding because I'm still sticking with like the pink aesthetic and the stars, and I'm having like basically the same thumbnails and everything, but I'm just kind of revamping it, like updating it and just making it a lot better than it was previously. So I hope you guys liked the new intro and everything. Yeah, I'm just kind of like resetting everything like I was talking about earlier. I'm pushing the reset button. Now we are going to make something that I am so excited about because I'm really excited about the whole thing. I saw another YouTuber, her name is Julia. She did this on her Instagram as like I think it was an Instagram reel, and she showed herself making a roadmap to, I think she's trying to get to 300,000 subscribers, and that really inspired me, and I kind of want to make one of my own for 50,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna make that and, you know, have a cute little montage of me making that.
So now I sing to you, and when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, can't make it, cause I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, 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 I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, 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 baby.
Okay, here is what it looks like in case you guys didn't know what I was talking about. So basically it's just a visualization of how many subscribers you have, and every time you hit another 1,000 subscribers, you mark off another circle. And I just think this is a great way to manifest your goals and really put it out there into the universe. I'm not an expert on manifestation, but I do know that if you write something down and, you know, put it out into the universe, that is a goal that you want to achieve, you are more likely to achieve that goal. And I don't know how it works, but I always see it all over TikTok that is what you need to do, that you need to write it out, put it out into the universe, and you'll eventually be able to achieve it. So basically I have 25,000 to 50,000 written down, and I don't know why, I just kind of liked this layout. I think it looks cute, and I like the little scribbly bubbles, little circles. And every time I hit another 1,000 subscribers, I am going to color in the circle. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a super chatty video, but personally I love chatty videos because it just feels like you're talking to a friend. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what your guys' resolutions and goals are for 2021. I would love to hear about them. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!